Here given that x cube minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 has three real roots, x1, x2 and x3, and x1 is less than x2 less than x3. I have to find the value of fractional x1 plus fractional x2 plus fractional x3. So now let's take f of x as x cube minus 3x plus 1. Now when you differentiate that, we get f dash of x equal to 3x square minus 3. That gives us 3 into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Now we can easily interpret that as the function is increasing when it lies outside these two values, minus 1 and 1. And the function is decreasing and it lies between those values, minus 1 and 1. So we're going to examine some values of f around these two values, minus 1 and 1, because there is an opportunity for f to change sign here. So let's find out what is f of 0. You can put it there and find f of 0 is 1. So we'll put f of 1 in the mother equation, x cube minus 3x plus 1. You get minus 1. Similarly, f of minus 1 would be so 3. Trying to find out f of 2 would give you 3, and similarly f of minus 2 would give you 8. So minus 1. So we note here that there's a change of sign between f of minus 2 and f of minus 1, right? So there must be a root here. So you can write it like this also. Product is less than 0. There must be a root here. So one root lies in this interval. So what do you expect the integral value? Let this root be named x1. You know, the roots will increase from left to right as the curve cuts it. The values of x will increase from left to right, so we can take it as successively as x1, x2 and x3. Again, we note that there must be another root between 0 and 1. So one root lies between in this interval 0, 0, 1. So if we name it as x2, then this will be 0. Again, there's another change of sign between f of 1 and f of 2. Again, a root must lie in the interval 1, 2. So again, f1 into f2 is less than 0. So naturally, one root lies in the interval 1, 2. So we have lies in 1, 2. So integral part of x3 is 1. Now to find the value of the given expression, the summation of the fractional values of x of the roots we just have to put this, the fractional x is x minus integral value, so the rest is very simple for all of you. Using the cubic equation x cube minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, sum of roots x1 plus x2 plus x3 will be equal to 0. So just a sum to brush up your concepts. Okay, hope you liked it.